To build a better butt, you've got to do muscle building exercises to build your glutes, the 3 muscles that make up your rear. How quickly you'll see results depends on your body type, your training frequency and training intensity. 1. Squat. The squat is the king of all butt exercises. It works all of the muscles of the butt, and it's easily modified and made more challenging to suit your fitness level. Technique is super important to prevent injury. If you've never squatted, learn the basic technique first before adding weight. How to do it: stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Inhale as you bend at the hips and knees, lowering your bum down towards the ground. Transfer the weight into your heels, and keep your torso upright and chest open. Come down until your thighs are parallel with the floor. Exhale as you press through your heels to rise back up to standing. When you're ready to add weight, hold dumbbells in either hand at shoulder height, or use a barbell to do back squats. Wide stance kettlebell sumo squats are also a great variation to try. 2. Lunge. Lunges are one of the best exercises to build a bodacious booty. Doing a combination of stationary lunges, side lunges and walking lunges hits all of your glute muscles and keeps your routine from getting boring. How to do it: take a big step forward with your right foot. Bend both your knees to about 90 degrees, with your back knee hovering just above the ground. Press through your front foot to rise back to your starting position. Do a set on one side, then switch to the other. For walking lunges, just continue in the forward motion, doing a lunge with your right foot forward, then stepping forward and lunging with your left foot forward. For side lunges, take a big step out to the side with your right foot. Bend the right knee out, squat down but keep the left leg straight. Step back to center and repeat on the other side. Add weight with a barbell across the backs of your shoulders, or by holding dumbbells at your sides. 3. Quadruped hip extension. Quadruped hip extensions took first place in an American Council on Exercise study that looked at how well certain exercises targeted the glutes in relation to the traditional squat. How to do it: on all fours extend your right leg back with the knee bent to 90 degrees and the sole of the foot pointing toward the ceiling. Raise your leg until your thighs parallel with the floor. Pause, then lower your leg. Do a set on one side, then switch. 4. Step up. Step your way to great glutes with step ups, which came in second on ACE's best butt exercise list. How to do it: stand in front of a chair or bench. Step up with your right foot, transferring your body weight into your right leg and leaving the left leg passive. Extend your hips all the way at the top, then lower back down with control. Repeat, then switch sides. Add weight by holding dumbbells. 5. Hip thrusters. If you embarrass easily, you might want to skip these in a crowded gym. But if your desire for a big butt is greater than your pride, you need to add hip thrusters to your routine. Before you add weight, get the technique down. Then you can either place a heavy bag or barbell across your pelvis to increase the challenge. How to do it: sit on the long edge of a weight bench. Walk your feet out until your upper back only is resting on the edge of the bench. Lower your hips down and keep your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. From this starting position, raise your hips up until they're in line with your knees. Pause for a second, then return to the starting position.